Hello, I'm Marta from Gradoli Motors, and today we are going to introduce you to the short block that we have assembled here in our facilities completely from new spare parts. It is a Cummins 6BTA5.9, or in Komatsu it is called SA6D102. And it can be both assembled into marine or industrial engines that go from 70 to 400 of horsepower. It includes the cylinder block, the crankshaft, the pistols, the connecting rods, and the bearings. We have it available in our website as well as other short blocks and complete engines. You can visit it at www.gradoli.net. Thank you very much.